What's up, guys? Destructive Gamer back here again. I'm in my truck. Um, I want to say, first of all, thank you so much for all your support on my Ice Bath Challenge video. I think it's got like 210 views. I think the last time I looked, it was 210 views. And that makes me so happy, guys. Like, you don't even know. And so today, I'm going to start my truck. It hasn't been started in 2 days. I'm gonna start it and I'm gonna get on it a little bit so you guys can hear it, because that video that was on the last time I put that up, it got, I think, 10 views, and that was the most views I had before that Ice Bath Challenge video. And like I told that guy on the Ice Bath Challenge video, I am going to do the Abs of Steel Challenge. I will do it probably later today. I was going to wait until I got 10 subscribers, but I thought about it, and I'll just go ahead and do it. And sorry my hair is a mess. I look like crap, but it's just a video I just thought of, so thank you guys for all the support. And we've decided what color we're going to paint my truck to. We're going to paint it back this color with probably some metal flake. And that, I don't mind because I like the color. So, yeah, let's get right into starting the truck. Yeah. As you can tell, it's raining a little bit. Find a dry patch on the ground. Right there. About exhaust. It's a little bit loud. Sounds great. It's running great. It ain't running on stale gas or anything anymore. I've ran a quarter tank of gas out. I'll say that. And I haven't been able to drive it. My dad won't let me drive it because I'm trying to get the water off my screen, because we don't have insurance and stuff on it yet, so he won't let me drive it. And it kind of makes me a little bit mad, but I mean, I know why he won't let me drive it, so it's fine. But yeah, I'm trying to get this money to fix it. I don't know how I'm gonna get the money, but I'm trying to. And your guys' support helps me so much. You have no clue. It made my day when I saw I had that many views on a video. I never thought I'd get that many views. I got one windshield wiper. It's screwed up. Yeah, it's not supposed to come apart like that. So, thank you guys. See.
You took a stance there, Dave. Well, you saw straight on that time. That's good, too.
probably get copyrighted, but I don't care.
Everybody's looking for love. Ain't that the reason you're at this club? You ain't gon' find it different.
But that's start after 2 days of not being ran. Turn that back on. Let my windshield wipers. Alright. I'm going to head back into the house, guys. And again, thank you for all your support. Like, subscribe, comment, and check out my Twitter, Destructive Gaming 2001. See you guys later.